Do you think you need to spend a fortune to get glamorous jewellery? Nope. Today I'm showing you how I make these resin charm earrings for just a few pounds. And you won't believe how easy it is. Let's jump right in. These are the beautiful resin charms I was telling you about. They are absolutely stunning. They look so much better in person. They're absolutely beautiful. These are the backs. Here we have my sapphire and diamonds, and here we have my moonstone and diamonds. I call these a horse eye shape. Red and green would be ideal for Christmas. Now I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And I do currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. And I do want to say, everyone, thank you so much for all the orders you're putting my way. I am so busy, and it's all down to you all. You don't even have to purchase from me. Just by watching this video, liking and commenting, it means the absolute world. It shares my videos out to more people. That's how you can support my channel. You do not have to buy from me. That helps me so much. Thank you so much, everybody. So I cater for those that are new to making jewellery. These are so simple to make. And I've just got, you need 2 pairs of pliers for opening and closing the jump rings. Now I have gone for silver earring wires, 925, because I do have sensitive ears. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Oh, God, I'm getting blinder and blinder by the day. Oh, they look even more better with my glasses on. All we do is take a jump ring, slightly twist to open this way, thread the jump ring through the hole of your sapphire and diamond charm. And then obviously, if this is going to go into your ear, you need, the earring wire needs to be facing, this needs to be the front of the earring wire, and then we simply close. There. Now, how simple is that? How simple is that? Let's do another one. Twist, thread through the charm, attach the earring hook, and close. Now we have the moonstone and exquisite diamond detail. So again, open the jump ring. So do you have anything planned for Christmas? Are you going to, do you have a ball to go? Are you going out for Christmas where you could wear something like this? Or maybe you're like me, where you'll be in your PJs and your slippers. Or will you be happy and content like me in my PJ and slippers and my chocolate? Do let me know in the comments below. There we have those. That's those. These are 6mm jump rings. I don't think I said. I've got lots of new stock on the website that I've not showed anybody, that I haven't even showed anyone. I just haven't had time. So feel free to pop over and have a look if you want. You don't have to buy anything. You might get some inspiration, something you can have a go at making. So again, attach the earring wire and then we close. Now, how quick and simple. Now, how quick and simple was it to make those earrings? See if I can, let's do my thumbnail. Hey, we've got to have a thumbnail. Let's have my thumbnail. We have to have a thumbnail. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I've got hundreds of tutorials, ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. There's lots more other things on my channel as well. I will be doing a craft project after this video. A craft tutorial, a little gadget that I bought that if I was a young girl, I would be over the moon to receive. So be looking out for that one as well. It's nothing jewelry related. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone and happy crafting.